Hi there. Is there anything more annoying than the tire light in your car? This thing keeps coming on, telling you something's wrong. So I'm going to tell you the steps that I take to make this thing go off, keeping you and your family safer, and hopefully keeping you away from the dealership and saving you money as well. Usually this is a free fix, and I'm also going to cover the spare tire, which often gets forgotten about. This works on Lexus RX350, 400, 450, and if you get it to work on a different Lexus, please leave me a comment. Alright, so I'm starting the car, and sure enough the tire light's on. I know it's on. Two main reasons why this light comes on. It's either an issue with your tire pressure or it's a bad sensor. Now this video is only 4 minutes, but I've got an even longer one which covers more detail. I'll link that in case anyone's interested. Take my word, I've already checked all 4 tires, and you can see I'm right where I'm supposed to be. But we're also going to look at the spare, and this is hidden in the back, and this is often forgotten about. So in your compartments in the trunk, you've got a socket, and you've got the spare release tool. It's like a little jack. You put this in here and you spin it counterclockwise. It takes a little bit of getting used to. You can see it kind of popped off there, but just put it back on, spin it, and then we're going to look under the car and make sure the spare is coming down. There it is. It's lowering. So I'm going to keep going here. By the way, on the older generations like mine, Lexus doesn't tell you which tire is the issue. You just get the tire light and the readout telling you there's an issue. But on the newer generations, Lexus does give the details on each tire. Interestingly, Acura had this down in 2006. Their system would tell you which tire, but we had to wait a few more years for that with Lexus, unfortunately. And mine's a 2007. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the pressure on this before I pump it up, and it is low. My vehicle is set so that the tire light won't come on until about under 28 pounds. But you can see this one tested at 26 pounds, so it's definitely low. The video is sped up here, so you don't have to wait a whole minute and a half, which is how long this took to pump up. Instead, we're looking at only 10 seconds. Boom, we're done. Okay, so I have a feeling this was likely the problem because of how low the spare was, but we're not going to know until we start the car. I'm jacking it back up, checking underneath. There it is. It's out of the way. By the way, I saw somebody driving down the road with their tire hanging the other day. Don't do that.
Velcro.
Okay, I have Velcro in here, by the way, to keep this secure, so it's always there when I need it. All right, moment of truth. To be honest, while I'm filming this, I don't know for sure if this is going to work. I'm about 80% sure that it will. There's also a chance the battery is bad in the spare, but I don't think so because I had it checked a couple years ago. Okay, the tire light is still on. Let's give it a few seconds. Still on. Awesome. It went off. Beautiful. So guess what? The problem's fixed. This is a self-regulating system. When you fix the air pressure, most of the time that is the problem. And it will correct itself. You don't have to press buttons. You don't have to reset anything. You just have to check the tire pressure. I'm going to turn the key off in a second and start it again just to make sure. Now, if this didn't do the job for you, the most likely second thing it is the sensors. The batteries go bad after about 5 to 10 years. And what you can do is I would recommend you go to Discount Tire or America's Tire. They're in most states. They will check this for free. They have a scanner. They can walk around. You don't even need an appointment. Or they'll walk around the back and the front and check each tire. And they can tell you if you've got a bad sensor. And they're much cheaper than the dealership. I think it was only $30 or $40 per tire the last time I had them replaced. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped. If it did, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your tire issues are going, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.